The Great Barrier Reef is the world's biggest coral reef system, consisting of over 2,900 distinct reefs and 900 islands spanning over 2,300 kilometers, 1,400 miles, across an area of around 344,400 square kilometers, 133,000 square miles. The reef is located in the Coral Sea, off the coast of Queensland, Australia, and is separated from the coast by a passage that is 160 kilometers, 100 miles, wide in sections and over 61 meters, 200 feet, deep. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from orbit and is the world's largest single structure built by living beings. This reef structure is made and constructed by billions of microscopic organisms known as coral polyps. It supports a diverse range of life and was designated as a World Heritage Site in 1981. CNN named it one of the 7 natural wonders of the world in 1997. In 2007, Australian World Heritage Places added it to their list. In 2006, the Queensland National Trust declared it a Queensland state icon. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park protects a substantial portion of the reef, reducing the impact of human activities like fishing and tourism. Other environmental stressors on the reef and its ecosystem include human-made pollution runoff, climate change, which has resulted in mass coral bleaching, dredging sludge dumping, and cyclic crown of thorns starfish outbreaks. According to a study published in October 2012 in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the reef has lost more than half of its coral cover since 1985, a finding reaffirmed by a 2020 study that found over half of the reef's coral cover had been lost between 1995 and 2017, with the effects of a widespread 2020 bleaching event not yet quantified. The Aboriginal Australian and Torres Strait Islander peoples have long recognized and used the Great Barrier Reef, and it plays a vital role in their cultures and spirituality. The reef is a major tourist destination, particularly around the Whitsunday Islands and Cairns. Tourism is a major economic activity in the region, earning more than $3 billion annually. In November 2014, Google introduced Google Underwater Street View in 3D of the Great Barrier Reef. According to a March 2016 assessment, coral bleaching is more widespread than previously anticipated, wreaking havoc on the reef's northern reaches as ocean temperatures rise. In October 2016, Outside published an obituary for the reef. The article was criticized for being premature and impeding attempts to strengthen the reef's resilience. In March 2017, the journal Nature released a report demonstrating that substantial chunks of an 800-kilometer, 500-mile stretch in the northern half of the reef died in 2016 due to high water temperatures, an event that the scientists attributed to the consequences of global climate change. The percentage of newborn corals born on the Great Barrier Reef plummeted dramatically in 2018. And experts are calling it as the beginning of a huge natural selection event unfolding. Many mature breeding adults died in the bleaching events of 2016-17, resulting in poor coral birth rates. The sorts of corals that reproduced also shifted, resulting in a long-term reorganization of the reef ecosystem if the trend continues. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Act of 1975, Section 54, requires an outlook report on the reef's health, stresses, and future every 5 years. The last report was issued in 2019. In March 2022, another large bleaching event was verified, raising concerns about the sustainability of this reef system, especially considering the effects of El Niño weather phenomenon. The Australian Institute of Marine Science performs annual surveys of the Great Barrier Reef state, and the 2022 report revealed the most significant rebound in 36 years. The fast-growing Acropora coral, which is the dominant coral on the reef, is primarily responsible for the renewal of 2/3 of it.